Hi, today I am going to show you how to get someone off your best friends list on Snapchat. Well, Snapchat keeps track of the people you talk to the most frequently on your list of best friends. Prior to a recent modification, Snapchat used to let you designate some contacts as your best friend. It is displayed first in your primary friends list, making those people easier to reach you when you send a new snap. But how does Snapchat choose which users are your best friends or not? Well, it's fairly easy. You might have noticed that each user has a snap score, which counts all of the snaps they have sent and received since signing up. Individual chats between you and your pals receive a comparable score. Your friendship score increases the more you talk to a specific person. Snapchat analyzes these ratings to create your best friends list. But the question is, how are we going to remove this? All you have to do is to stop sending snaps to this person and then wait for a couple of weeks, months, then these people will be removed on your best friends list. That's how easy it is. No need to do anything. Just stop sending snaps to these people. Okay, and that way you can simply remove these people on your best friends list. Another thing is you can simply tap the person's name and then go to this what we call chat settings, okay, or manage friendship rather. Tap the person and go to manage friendship, and you can see there the option that says remove. Only if it's okay for you to remove this person on your Snapchat account. So in that way, you remove this person on Snapchat and you remove this on your best friends list. But if you don't want to do that, you can simply follow my first instruction. So that's how easy it is. I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.